Today, we are going to talk about your, and yours. Throughout this lesson, we will examine the differences between these words and how to use them correctly. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of when to use the words with confidence. Your is a contraction of you and are, which means it is used to show that the second person, you, is a subject of a sentence and is doing something or being talked about. For example, you're going to the market, which is contraction of you are going to the market, and you're very smart is the contraction of you are very smart. Now let's move on to your. It's a possessive adjective that shows ownership or possession. It is used before a noun to describe something that belongs to the person which is the subject of the sentence. For example, this is your car. This is your book. Finally, we have yours. It's a possessive pronoun that shows ownership or possession. It is used after a noun to indicate that something belongs to the person that is the subject of the sentence. For example, the car is yours. This book is yours. Now that we have covered the basics, let's practice using these words in sentences. I'll give you a few sentences and I want you to fill in the blanks with the correct word. Dash going to school. Is this dash car? This book is not mine. It's dash. I'm giving you a few seconds. I hope you have tried. You're going to school. Is this your car? This book is not mine, it's yours. Keep practicing and you will master them in no time. Well, stay tuned for more informative and interesting videos. We'll be back with another one soon. But until then, keep learning and enjoy the journey.